Hello and welcome back to the Moon Boots tutorial series. My name is Guy. I'm a co-founder here at Moon Boots and I'll be your tour guide today. Alright, so let's get started. Today I'd like to talk to you about a feature called post scheduling. Basically, it is exactly as it sounds. It allows you to pre-compose however many posts you'd like and assign a date and time to them so they go live at a future time. This allows you to remain active in your platform and keep up with your content schedule while being away from your computer. And if you're the type of person who wants to front load their month, you could compose all of your posts for the month up front and then just have them go live throughout the month. So the way you achieve that is you would compose your post as normal. Come down to your toolbar here, you click schedule post. You'll choose a date and you'll choose a time. Let's do 9:27 a.m. You click save. You'll notice there's a clock down here, which means that your schedule has saved and it will not go live when you click post. Go ahead and click post and you'll see now a new section in your discussion titled scheduled posts. This is where all of the posts will live before they go live. And when they do go live, they'll be listed at the exact date and time that you had them post. So it'll act exactly like it would if you were to post it in real time. And that's literally it. We hope you guys love it. We hope it improves your workflow and makes life less stressful and easier. And we can't wait to hear how you guys use it. So let us know. And if you have any feedback, we'd love to hear it. Until next time, we'll see you soon. Enjoy.